Well, I've seen quite a lot of emails on my UST mailbox about talking about servant leadership, but yes, this is the first time that I'm actually attending a session where it's being covered in detail. So I realized from this session that it's something that I really did not know about, at least not in depth. Will it work? I'm very confident it will work, but uh, every servant leader will need to accept and overcome a lot of challenges in an organization which is a for-profit organization, or a where you have a lot of competitive folks. You will definitely see a lot of uncertainty, a lot of scenarios where you don't know whether you want to uplift a person or you want to push somebody down.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
this is a big challenge that is going to come to be faced by every servant leader out here. Definitely, I would have to lead by example on this one.